since I'm losing weight, maybe you also have a plan to lose weight, or maybe you're just trying to boost your fertility with really amazing food. So this is good for both weight loss, weight management, and fertility-friendly food. All right, we're gonna do organic super green smoothies. Hi! Thanks for clicking on Simply Tanika. I am Tanika. If this is your first time here, I am 46 years old and attempting to get pregnant with the use of assisted reproductive technology. As part of that program, I've had to take hormones in order to orchestrate the ovulation and insemination planning with my reproductive endocrinologist. And as a result of that, I've gained 12 pounds from the fertility medication. This last cycle, I had to sit out because my hormones were a little wacky, and so I was put on a timeout. And I figured now's a good time to lose weight. And I'd been saying it since about November when my OBGYN told me that I needed to lose weight because my BMI was too high. And so I used it as an excuse that I was still on the meds. All excuses are gone. Meds are not in me this month. It's the beginning of a brand new year, so I'm really tackling my weight loss. So one of the things I'm doing is mixing smoothies. So I have this super green smoothie, and it comes in this little pack, so it's easy to make, and it has like 1.5 servings of vegetables in it. It's acai berry, kale, and spinach. And so I wanted to share my recipe with you for this. Since I'm losing weight, maybe you also have a plan to lose weight, or maybe you're just trying to boost your fertility with really amazing food. So this is good for both weight loss, weight management, and fertility-friendly foods. We have the Acai, or the Organic Acai SuperGreens, Orgain organic protein milk, Maca root, fresh spinach, and fresh blueberries. All right, let's take a look. All right, we're gonna do organic super green smoothies. Yeah, let's get started. Start with the Orgain milk. Do 8 ounces of that. Moving on to some frozen organic blueberries. Some spinach. Maca powder. And maca powder is good for the hormones. And balancing things out. Spinach has folate and is chock full of all sorts of goodness. The blueberries have the antioxidants in them, and they're just yummy. And then the super greens, it says it has like 1.5 servings of greens in it. So it has the acai berry, kale, and spinach is also in here. Yes, it's green, folks. I'm gonna add a little bit of ice. Easy and yummy. I hope you enjoyed this. Give it a try, and if you do, let me know how it works out for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share it with anyone who you think might be interested. Leave comments below on if you tried it, if you have a variation of it, if you have another smoothie that you think is amazing and is great for weight loss and fertility. I definitely want to hear about it. Thanks for checking in on me. I hope you are well. Mwah! Baby dust to you all.